Hey everybody, welcome back. So we're 16% complete, and now we're going to go on to the installations. If you are already using macOS, Ubuntu, or an official flavor of Ubuntu as your operating system, what does that mean? An official flavor of Ubuntu? Does that mean the Linux versions? Okay, there's just a bunch of different Ubuntu operating system opportunities. As your operating system, you have Google Chrome installed on your browser as your browser, and you can skip this section. Okay, so this section is just going to be all about installing Google Chrome. Otherwise, click the small arrow on the left-hand method you would like to use to expand the section, and then follow the instructions. We can only support the following operating systems indicated above. Our instructions have been tested with macOS and Ubuntu, the official flavors of Ubuntu, and do not recommend installing an OS that is based on Ubuntu. That is only based on Ubuntu, like Mint, Pop, OS, Elementary OS, etc. So our OS installation, it gives you three options: virtual machine. Okay, now I don't think we need to do that. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Install virtual box on Ubuntu. I think these are These are for Chrome users. So again, I'm just not going to go through this stuff because I can't mimic it because I'm on a Mac OS. So we'll continue down. Seems like we could install guest edit. Wow, there's a lot of things that you have to do if you want to do that. We're not going to do it with the Windows Dual Boot. We're going to do it with Google Chrome. So, oh no, we're not even going to do that. We're going to do it with a Google Chrome installation with Mac OS. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward lesson. You visit here, click download Chrome for Mac. Okay, now I have it set up. I've set up my Brave browser to download this. If you're not using Brave, you might want to do this with Safari. Should be straightforward. You can just click it in the link bar here. It gives you this option. Click, drag Chrome into the applications folder. Cool, close that one. Open the downloads folder, double click oh yeah, so that's what we did. We double clicked the .dmg file. We drag the Chrome into the applications folder. They say now you want to delete the installer on your sidebar. So if you click the Finder, you should see the Google Chrome installer here. So that's what they mean, is delete it there. You can press Command F if you want Finder, and then Command Spacebar, and then F for the Finder. And you'll see that after I pressed that eject button, it was gone. And so click arrow next to the Chrome sidebar, go to Downloads folder, drag into the trash. Okay, so now I have my computer set up automatically to download, to set the downloads to the dashboard. So I can just move this to the trash by pressing Command Delete, or you can just click and drag it in there. And then we should be able to go to our applications folder. So if we go applications, Command Spacebar, and then we go applications Finder, this should take us here. Our applications will be here, and we should see Google Chrome in here. Here it is. Okay, so we've got Chrome installed. And it says double click it, so I guess they want us to open it. All right, cool. It's downloaded from the internet. What do you want to do? You want to say open. Cool. I don't like to have my notifications turned on for anything, so I don't allow that. And so now we can do things like Google things, like heading tags in HTML. And that'll take us straight there, and then we can start researching how to make heading tags. So this would be a first way of Googling something to find it if we were looking to start doing HTML. So I can press Command W to close that for now, and it looks like we're good to go. So that was just all about installing Chrome. That was probably quite easy for anyone just with some experience. But we can move it on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.